What's a good system on options weekly paychecks for a beginner? Well, here is one in that it helps with giving you a very clear, identifiable entry, stop loss point, and profit taking exit. It can also put in a lot of profit points itself. Now, here's a shot at some of the text on the sales letter for Striker. And you can see here some track record update, for example, on QQQ, whereas in 2 months and 3 weeks, Striker was able to pull in 145.7 profit points. What's a profit point? It's just the point in the stock, the ETF in this case, where, for example, QQQ goes from 100 to 101. That's a profit point. Check this out. Let's annualize these QQQ profit points. So it took, we'll say three months, because it's 2 months and 3 weeks. And so 12 months divided by 3 equals 4. We have 145.7 profit points during that time. So 4 times 145.7 equals 582.8 profit points, which on QQQ is just ridiculous. I don't know if you know QQQ, but if any QQQ traders out there sees this, they would agree that this amount of profit points is absolutely mind-boggling and incredible. Okay, so some beginners have asked us in the past about what's a good system. They need to make money. They have a huge amount of bills, etc., etc. And we were at the time saying, you know what, use Striker. And you can see some other performance samples up here, which are a bit older. Yet we like to leave the older samples up because they show that the system has worked very well over time. Once you can find a system that has worked well year after year after year, you have found gold. Actually, you have found a gold mine. Actually, you have found a money printing press, as tacky as that may sound. Good trading systems are like fine wine. If they age well, they become more valuable. So anyways, as I scroll through this page, we really need to beef this up and update it, because this sales page, presentation page, does not do the system justice. This Striker Options Weekly Paycheck system is so good. We better fix this up, because we don't want any of you guys to miss out on it who really want to do super well in their trading and who want to start well, which is super important. Speaking of starting well, this is very important in trading. Why so? Because you don't want to create emotional damage that can interfere with your trading success into the future. Also, you don't want to create financial damage by getting into some system that you just never learned that well. Maybe it's too hard for you. Maybe it's just not a good fit for your personality. You could just not trade it well and just mess it up. You don't want that. So you want a system that is easy to do, that goes with the good flow of things, that feels good to trade, that's very clear to see, to trade, meaning that your entries, your stop losses, and your profit taking exit mechanism is very clear. Also, the whole visualization of seeing your setup come about, getting prepared to be ready to enter when you need to enter is very important. It's very clear with Striker. So this means that you can very clearly be ready and identify when you have a new trade. So if you're interested in getting started off well with a very good, solid, high precision style of trading system that can help you start out on the right foot, a system that can help you get started well with clarity and greater ease versus other systems, then I would definitely use Striker. If you're looking for a way to make money, to add an extra income, to start a new business as in a trading business, which is the best type of business there is once you do it right, if you're looking for a new way to potentially make a lot of money, then you'll want to learn Striker as well. So you should be able to see a link below for more information. Otherwise, go to optionsweeklypaychecks.com.